Hey guys, it's Bonfire night on Monday, so I did these firework nails for you. Of course, if you're American, you can do them for 4th of July, but yeah, anyway, let's do this. I started off with painting my nails black, and then with my Moyu London Pearl top coat polishes, I'm using the blue one first to create some stripes. Now I'm using the purple one to create some stripes coming out, and then the pink one and the gold one. Just random stripes everywhere, try and make it look like a firework. Keep going with the colours. And here I am, just doing the same thing again, but a different angle of the nail. And I'm using a glitter top coat now, just to add more sparkle. And finally a glossy top coat. And there you go, a quick firework design for you. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thank you. Bye.